Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix this page isn't available right now on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Instagram is updated. Okay, so to do that, just go ahead and open your App Store and search for Instagram. Okay, so now as you can see, I have the open button. Okay. So if you have the update button instead of the open button, just go ahead and click on update. And then you just need to wait until it is done updating. Then after that, just go ahead and clear the cache on your Instagram application. So to do that, if you're using your Android device, just go ahead and find the Instagram application on your settings and then find the clear cache option. Okay, but if you're using iPhone, just go ahead and click on settings. So I'm sorry about that. So click on general, click on iPhone storage. Then you want to find Instagram. So now just go ahead and click on upload app. And then once it is done, just go ahead and reinstall the application. So now once you've done that, once you've opened your Instagram, that should help you with your problem. But if it doesn't work for you, what you need to do is to just go ahead and simply long press on the application and delete the app. Okay? So click delete app, and then once you've deleted the app, just go ahead and reinstall it again. So go to App Store and click on install button on Instagram. Okay? So now once you've reinstalled your Instagram, just go ahead and log in your account and that should fix your problem. Okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.